Alright, so today I got a video here for you guys to show y'all how to connect the ProFace PLC to a FANUC robot. This should work with pretty much any robot, especially any of the newer robots. And we're going to do this communication over Ethernet. I struggled with this for like quite some time, and part of it was because I was doing explicit messaging and not implicit messaging, and really the explicit messaging just wasn't working right. So I think that was something on like the Ethernet communication and that just wasn't set up, and there's not any good documentation out there. FANUC has the best documentation as far as documentation that was actually useful to get this thing set up. ProFace was pretty much useless, but I'm gonna go ahead and just dive into this thing, and I'm gonna take y'all to my screen right now. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do is, after you open up your program and everything like that, you're going to want to go to your devices and PLC. So you click on your devices and PLC right here in this area, and it will open up this screen here. Now what you're going to go ahead and do is add a device. So with this adding a device, you're going to need to add a manufacturer. And the manufacturer we're going to use is ODVA. And basically ODVA is kind of like a generic Ethernet driver, very similar to like Allen Bradley's Ethernet driver, if you've used Allen Bradley.